More prizes for King of Arkansas. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. As always, if you like the video, hit that like. If you're not already, hit subscribe. Click that bell for notifications so you know when we drop our next video. Let's get into it. Alright, so sponsorship package from Injora for King of Arkansas. I already filmed this once, knocked it out of the park, and then during the editing phase, lost all the files. So we're going to go back through it, and I'm going to show you guys what we got from Injora. We got some really cool stuff, so let's get into it. Alright, first up we got two sets of tires. We got a set of the MAVERIX and a set of the Klingons, and I'll throw in some B-roll footage of it. These bags are kind of loud, I don't want to crinkle them around. So we got the MAVERIX and the Klingons. Both of those are 1.9 inner, 4.75 outer, and both are in that S5 compound that Injora has. It's their super sticky, soft comp style compound. It actually feels super good. The S5 compound feels great. So yeah, these are really aggressive tread patterns on these tires. They're designed for superior grip out on the rocks and in the mud and things like that. So these tires get a lot of reviews online, so it should be a good set of tires to have. All right, next up to go inside those tires, we got two sets of Injora's house brand of silicone rubber inserts. We got the super soft in yellow and the soft in green. You can also get these in a blue, the medium, and the red is the hard. Now these are a silicone-based rubber insert that is completely waterproof and heat resistant, so they don't get messed up a lot. If you do a lot of mudding or a lot of water, creek running, stuff like that, these are the perfect inserts to have because they don't deteriorate like foams and stuff. But both of these are 1.9 inners and 4.75 outers. I think they're actually a little bit bigger. I think so 4.75 is 120 millimeters. These are 124. So they fill out that tire really nice, and the sidewalls feel really great on these. I have a couple rigs that I run some of these inserts in, and super good insert for the price. Can't beat them. All right, next up to complete the set of the tires and inserts, we got two sets of wheels here. So we got the, what are these? The 10-spoke 1.9 10-spoke stamped metal alloy wheels, and we got them in silver and white. Now these white ones, boy, I kind of hope I get those. Those are pretty sweet. So these are made of a metal alloy. They're a stamped steel wheel, and actually adding a little bit of weight to your rig. These come in at 116 grams a wheel. You can also get these in black or gray. These silver ones are kind of shiny. They're kind of polished up, so almost chrome, but not quite, but pretty nice looking wheel. Man, this gives you a classic style of wheels. You can't beat a good 10-spoke. So thank you, Injora, for those wheels. This is really nice. All right, to round it all off, we got Injora's DRX dual rate springs coming in at 110 millimeters. These are pretty nice looking shocks. So it's a CNC aluminum bodies. The dual rate springs, so it's the upper spring gives you for quick small bounces to keep you planted on the ground, and then the heavier spring helps for bigger impacts and stuff like that. So dual rate design is pretty cool design. It's got a low friction X-ring seal design in it. Should be pretty cool. Nylon rod ends. These come in a set of 4. Come with medium shock springs on it. Both rates of springs are medium on the shocks, but they also come with a full set of extra shocks in soft. So there's 8 extra shocks inside of here. Also all the hardware you'll need, ball ends and everything, the screws, nuts, bolts, everything to mount these shocks right up to your rig. So pretty cool set of shocks to round off the package. Also we got a bunch of stickers. Got a bunch of these sticker packs here, and then we got some really cool special edition gold and silver ones. These are super cool, so 3 lucky guys will get these in their gift bags. And also got a banner, but I've got it hanging up for an event that we're getting ready for here, but I'll throw in some B-roll footage of it. So just want to give a big shout out to Injora. Thank you, Injora, for sending us all these amazing products for King of the Arkansas event. When I tell you these are going to go to some deserving drivers, these are going to go to some deserving drivers. These guys are going to fight their butts off all year long. all over the state, going to all the different clubs events to earn points and try to be King of Arkansas and win some of these great prizes from our sponsors. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you again, Injora. If you liked the video, hit that like. If you're not already, hit subscribe. Click that bell for notifications so you know when we drop our next video. Hope to see you on the trails.